Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today, I can't wait any longer. It's time to pick this this badass padlock here. But before I forget, Paul, no, I've said it a few times already, but once again, thanks, buddy. This is yeah, a lock that I never thought I would be able to hold, let alone have in my collection. So really happy about this thing. Still, every day I look at it, I'm speechless and just can't stop staring at it right up here. But yeah, I want to get this picked because, I mean, first of all, I can't wait any longer, and second, I have another video planned after this one, of basically me deciding what core to put in here, and then whatever core I pick, I'll also install that on video. There's your bitting, 6-pin of course, and this never gets old. Huge shackle on this thing. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's see what's inside. I will say I have picked it, but have not gutted it. Don't know what pins are in it. All I know is it has an oval cylinder, which is totally awesome. I always wanted to have a padlock that has a Australian style cylinder. Okay, so what do we got here? I think I might remember that the pinning, there's like a mildly serrated pin and the rest are spools from other people's videos of them picking these. Not very much feedback, to be honest. Okay, there we got a false set to work with. Really weird feedback, but little counter rotation. These, I don't think these are Lockwood spools, being that it's an ABUS, but they feel kind of like it. They're easy to overset. We just got a deeper false set there. Counter rotation on 2 or 3. Having a hard time to get under probably 6. Having a hard time to set it. Overset. Let's see if we can drop it back down. And there we go. That wasn't that bad. So yeah, I definitely overset 6, kind of like a Lockwood spool, but just lightened up the tension and yeah, came back down and we got the thing open. So really not that bad. Yeah, this lock is definitely deserving of a better cylinder than what's in here. Actually, I meant to take a look at the box. Might as well. Yeah, we'll do that right now, I guess. Don't want to block the. Don't want to get this out of frame, but see here the second one in English: hardened solid steel shackle and body, Nano Protect chrome plated for ultimate corrosion resistance, solid steel shackle protection. Hardened anti-drill plate for maximum cylinder protection. Excuse me, that's this. Designed to accept Scandinavian or AUS/NZ OVO cylinders, which, depending on where they're sold, they will have one of those 2 cylinders. This one obviously has the AUS/NZ oval, or 570. And then meets CEN 2320 Class 6 and Australian Standard Class 10 with adequate cylinder mounted, and I don't think that meets that with this cylinder. I mean, I don't think it does anyway. Could be mistaken, but that's why I say, like, this is such a beautiful lock. And again, everyone knows that most thieves don't pick locks. I still think this lock deserves a better cylinder. I think most of you would think the same thing. I think even Paul would agree. Of course Paul would agree. Okay, why? Maybe my bit's too big? Maybe I'm not completely lined up. Wow. I never had such a hard time unscrewing a screw. Did I? No, it's still unlocked. The ball bearing shouldn't be in the way. What the hell? There it is. Why the hell couldn't it friggin' grab it? Oh. Oh. I don't want to drop the ball bearings out here, so I think the actuator already came out a little bit, but whatever, if it does, no big deal. I could actually show that. So there's your cylinder, just unbranded. I'll leave it unlocked, I guess. Unbranded 570 cylinder. That is actually interesting. It has a threaded hole in the back. I've never seen that, and that doesn't have anything to do with threading into the core. What else is down here? Oh, I think actually, yeah, I've seen the Scandinavian one of these, and it actually has something like this with the spring that goes up here, up on the top there. But yeah, this is almost like those modular cylinders, or those cylinders that that you can extend with extra pieces. Maybe maybe someone can chime in if they know. My camera's doing that thing again where it looks like it's recording and like, ooh, that's going to be hard to get off without locking up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it looks like my camera's recording in like, I don't know, 30 frames per second or even less, but hopefully when the video comes out it doesn't look like that. I don't know why it does that. I kind of like to zoom in on my videos more often too, but I've had bad luck with that. Last time I tried to do that, I lost a whole friggin' really important video. Redoing a video like this isn't a problem. It just means that I pick the lock more than once. Got a bit of practice on it. Might not be totally realistic of a first pick, but I'm always pretty transparent. I always would mention that. But for a video like an unboxing, it really sucked when I lost that footage. And just even turning the camera like this, sometimes it clicks a button or something stupid. Here I go again, complaining about the camera. Yeah, there's a serrated there. And I was going to say it's kind of funny because it felt like I got counter rotation off that pin, which would be kind of weird. Wow. These springs are really long too for a cylinder like this. Like, really long. At least I think they're pretty long for a 570. Wow. Usually I don't have that problem. Yeah, that's crazy. I'll show you what I mean. Usually the 570s I'm used to, maybe Paul or someone from Australia can correct me, but usually they don't stick up that. Oh, you're not going to be able to see that at all. Usually they don't stick up so far that you can't get around them. Oh, actually, this goes here and that goes there. I better view that now. Maybe they're a little bit longer than I'm used to anyway. Actually get a measurement on one just for fun. Oh, this is gonna be hard to do. If only I had 3 hands. Oh, I do have a nose. Maybe? No? Anyways, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but 16 millimeters. And driver's not expecting much. I mean, I am expecting standards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice drill protection here. That's good to see in a padlock like this. And this is kind of interesting too. There's kind of like a flat, but it's faceted. Looks like a machined. You can see that lip right there. Yeah, I know that makes for a smoother operating lock, but it's interesting they went to the trouble to actually machine it. Okay, let's take a look at these. And we'll look at the core too, actually. A couple anti-drills there. Of the Bible, I should say. I can put this down. Yeah, so really lightly serrated in one, and actually, as I look at this closely, it's really not beveled, but rounded. Not to the extent like a key pin, but these are upside down, but you get the idea. And they're a bit beveled, I guess. The key pins are. Oops. But yeah, this driver is definitely quite a bit more rounded on the. It was this way, on the bottom, than the top. It's quite noticeable, actually. I wonder if that's just a fluke or if they're all like that. But yeah, pretty nice spools. Not fairly thin-lipped actually, but not quite like a Lockwood. But still quite easy to overset. And with these, add another nut. They're more of a slight beveling than a taper like a Lockwood. Probably just to make a smoother operating lock. But yeah, wow, already at 14 minutes. I didn't think this video would run this long, but I'm going to leave you guys with that, and I'm looking forward to the next video where I give this beauty a core more deserving of it. I'm going to make a choice between 3, and we'll see what it ends up with. And you guys can chime in the comments if you think I went with the right choice, but yeah, we'll check that out in the next video. As always, guys, I appreciate you following along, appreciate all your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.